Ren Zhaolan, also known as Alan Ren, is a Chinese actor and singer. He was born on 11 April 1989 in Qingdao, China. He is famous for his breakout role as Li Chu in the 2017 historical drama The Glory of Tang Dynasty. In 2020, Ren starred in the Republican spy drama Autumn Cicada. In 2019, Ren starred in the Osha drama Under the Power. In 2018, Ren starred in the fantasy romance drama The Destiny of Whitesnake, based on the renowned Chinese folktale Playing Shu Xian. Ren was a professional table tennis player who trained alongside Zhou Yu and Zhang Zai. However, he had to quit the sport due to injuries. Prior to beginning his acting career, Ren participated in Hunan TV's Superboy and Korean Star. He was originally planned to debut in a Chinese South Korean boy group but quit in 2014 due to unknown reasons. Ren rose to fame in 2017 after starring in the historical drama The Glory of Tang Dynasty. His portrayal of Li Chu left a deep impression on audiences and he received rave reviews for his acting. He received the Best Actor award at the 4th Indian Film and TV Festival of China. In 2014, Ren filmed his first television drama Detective D, where he played the leading role of D. Renji. The drama was delayed and only aired in 2017. In 2016, Ren featured in the fantasy action drama Noble Aspirations and crime drama Memory Lost.